Hydration is essential for rugby players to perform at their best, but maintaining proper hydration can be a challenge due to factors like sweat loss, thirst response, and environmental conditions. Just as players need to overcome obstacles on the field, they must also address hydration challenges to keep their performance and health in top form. Let's explore some common hydration challenges and practical solutions to overcome them. One major challenge is high sweat rates. When players sweat heavily, they lose not only fluids but also vital electrolytes like sodium and potassium. To counter this, regular fluid intake is crucial. Players should drink water and electrolyte-rich fluids before, during, and after activities. Pre- and post-activity weigh-ins can also help monitor fluid loss and calculate how much fluid players need to replace. Electrolyte supplements such as tablets or sports drinks can help maintain the right balance and prevent cramping or fatigue. In hot weather, cooling strategies like using ice packs or cooling towels during breaks can help reduce sweating. Additionally, creating personalized hydration plans based on each player's sweat rate ensures that their specific needs are met. Another challenge is an inadequate thirst response, particularly in cooler weather when players may not feel as thirsty. To address this, hydration breaks should be scheduled regularly, regardless of how thirsty players feel. Hydration apps or alarms can be used to remind players to drink fluids at regular intervals. It's also important to make sure that water and sports drinks are always accessible during training sessions and matches. Educating players on the early signs of dehydration, such as dark urine, dry mouth, or fatigue, can help them recognize when they need to hydrate. Offering a variety of flavored drinks can make fluids more appealing, especially for players who struggle to drink enough. Environmental factors, like extreme heat or cold, also pose challenges. Weather-appropriate clothing can help manage sweat rates and body temperature. In hot weather, players should increase their fluid intake to match the higher sweat rates, and hydration stations with water and electrolyte drinks should be set up around the training ground. Cooling techniques, such as misting fans, shaded areas, and cooling vests, can also help players stay cool and hydrated. In cold weather, warm fluids like herbal teas or warm water can be more comforting and encourage hydration. Physical exertion during intense matches or training is another factor that can lead to dehydration. Players should start every session well hydrated by drinking fluids several hours beforehand. After training, recovery hydration is critical to replace lost fluids and aid muscle recovery. Drinks that include carbohydrates and proteins not only help with hydration but also support energy needs. During activity, players should sip small amounts of water or sports drinks at regular intervals to stay hydrated. Incorporating rest periods during training also allows players time to rehydrate and recover. Finally, individual variability plays a significant role in hydration. Every player has different fluid needs based on their body type, sweat rate, and level of activity. Conducting personalized hydration assessments and creating tailored hydration plans ensures that each player's needs are met. Continuous monitoring through wearable hydration monitors can provide real-time data, helping players adjust their intake as needed. Regular check-ins with players can help refine hydration strategies, and ongoing education can reinforce the importance of hydration for performance and health. Coaches should also remain flexible, ready to adjust strategies based on player feedback and changing conditions. For example, a rugby player who sweats heavily might use electrolyte tablets and follow a personalized hydration plan, leading to improved endurance and fewer cramps. A coach might implement scheduled hydration breaks and provide cooling towels during summer training, keeping the team well hydrated. A fitness professional could use hydration apps and wearable monitors to track clients' fluid intake and adjust based on real-time data. In conclusion, addressing hydration challenges is essential for rugby players to sustain peak performance and prevent dehydration-related issues. Solutions like regular fluid intake, Hydration reminders, weather-specific strategies, and personalized hydration plans can help players overcome these challenges. By staying proactive and adjusting to changing conditions, players and coaches can ensure hydration practices remain effective throughout the season.